Rub it. Like, I'm getting water all over the place. Get your foot closer. Why are you not as close to the edge with your left foot? That's not as close to okay, scrub.
With what?
Your hand. Scrub.
Every single no, I'm getting over. Ow, ow, ow. That's too hot. Oh, Jesus.
Turn it colder.
Ow. Stop it. I don't know how to work your shower. I forgot. Ow. Ow, ow. Oh, shit.
Stop spraying water all over. Are you done? Dry it off with the tissue paper.
Tissue paper.
You're not using my towel.
Where's the tissue paper?
The toilet paper.
Oh, are you serious?
Have fun, darling. And you can flush it, because I don't want that nasty stuff in my trash can.
Oh, my arm. Come on.
Open the
There's
toilet.
like hair on me. What?
That's from the floor. I said, you idiot. Wipe it off the toilet, you retard. Wipe it off the toilet. You have to clean it. Corey, clean it.
I am. Look at it's all ew.
Clean the toilet. It's more important than your stupid foot. Ew, get all the hair.